Hello and welcome to CMS Forex News. I'm your market analyst, Nick Nassad. Today is Friday, April 10th, 2009. Trading was light today as countries around the world celebrated Good Friday. Thin liquidity caused volatility in the currency markets to be very low. The euro-dollar pair, after a close to 200 pip move yesterday, stayed within a much smaller 60 pip range today. For the week, the pair is set to close near the 1.3150 level after starting the week near 1.35. And it even fell yesterday when global equities and risk appetite had increased. Data from the Eurozone continues to disappoint, and traders are speculating that the ECB will continue to cut rates and may be set to start their own version of quantitative easing. That speculation was somewhat confirmed by comments from an ECB council member yesterday, which was the reason that the euro was pressured. The pair lies at important support to end the week, and if the dollar sees strength to start next week, we can see a breakout to the downside. The pound-dollar pair inched down in today's trading, though it stayed within the range we saw yesterday. After a volatile Monday, which saw the greenback gain on risk aversion, the pair has been trading sideways. Data from the UK has been improving recently, and with interest rates already at historically low levels and the bank already conducting quantitative easing, the pound has been outperforming the euro. As we can see in this look of the euro-pound pair of the last several weeks, the euro has slid more than 500 pips since setting a high near 0.9490. The difference in fundamental data, with the perception that perhaps the UK can come out of its recession earlier than the eurozone, and the fact that the ECB is still cutting rates, has strengthened the pound. The US dollar-Canadian dollar pair rose in favor of the greenback today, though we may be seeing a correction to the move from yesterday as the pair fleshes out a new downward sloping channel. We're also seeing a bounce off support from a trend line connecting the prominent lows from mid-March onward, and also a much more longer-term support line connecting the main lows from the end of October and mid-January. Therefore, the 1.22 level will be an important level to watch next week to see which direction this currency pair takes. Looking towards next week, liquidity should continue to be thin on Monday, as many countries around the world will be celebrating Easter Monday. On Tuesday, the U.S. will release data on retail sales and producer prices, while Wednesday brings us U.S. consumer price data. New Zealand, Canada, and the Eurozone will also be putting out CPI releases during the week. Other important releases include retail sales from New Zealand and Switzerland. And that wraps up the week in the Forex markets. Thank you for joining us here at CMSFX.com. And from all of us here at CMS Forex, we want to wish a happy holidays to those celebrating Easter.